3 taps for the win.
So for Michael Lamb, it's about 90 degrees with 100% humidity. And this is my bike check. I've got a red Haro X2 frame. Please no Haro hater comments. Federal 4-piece 8-inch rise bars. Some Duo Martinez grips. Duo Stunner front tire with a nitrous rim. They're actually pretty durable rims, surprising. So I've got Diatec brake lever with a Primo cable and the Diatec Fiesta hardware. My fork is a Mission Circuit, and I've got Haro chromoly cranks with premium slim pedals. And the sprocket's just some stock sprocket.
He has a stolen one, but it's not on yet.
Oh yeah, stolen sprocket will be added soon, and the chain is also stocked. I've got a Shadow Conspiracy combination seat with a custom back wheel. It's a Odyssey hub with the Alex rim and just like generic spokes. Back tire is an Animal GLH 1.95.
Show him the hub sound, boy.
And this is my hub sound.
XX.
Alright, well thanks for watching.